Most people learn English for years, but still can't speak confidently.
But today, we'll show you one simple secret hidden somewhere in this conversation.
If you want to speak English naturally,
Don't skip anything. The secret comes near the end.
all right, let's begin. Welcome back to Daily English Chat.
Hello, learners. We're so happy you're practicing with us.
Today's topic is simple but powerful. Daily English conversations.
Yes, real conversations you can use anywhere.
At home, at work, at school, with friends.
And don't worry, we speak slowly.
So you can follow every word.
Let's start with the friendly warm-up.
Sounds good. How are you today?
I'm doing well. A little sleepy, but excited.
Sleepy? Long night?
Yes, I was reading a new book.
Ah, that explains it.
What about you?
I'm good. I had a big breakfast.
Nice. What did you eat?
Eggs, toast, and tea.
Classic breakfast.
Yes, it always gives me energy.
Learners, how about you? What did you eat today?
Say it out loud. It helps your speaking.
Even if you're shy, just try.
Practice makes progress.
Exactly.
Let's continue. So, what was the first thing you did today?
I woke up at around 7 a.m.
Early.
Yes, but I didn't get up immediately.
Same here. I stay in bed for a few minutes too.
It feels so nice, right?
Like a soft, warm cloud.
Haha, yes.
After that, what did you do?
I brushed my teeth and washed my face.
Fresh start.
Exactly. Then I made a cup of tea.
Black tea or milk tea?
Milk tea, my favorite.
Same.
I also listened to some soft music.
Oh, that's a peaceful morning.
Yes. What about you?
I checked my messages first.
Always?
Not always, but today, yes.
Anything important?
Just reminders.
Okay.
Then I had breakfast.
Good start to the day.
Absolutely. Food is fuel.
I agree.
Did you go out today?
Yes, I walked to the nearby shop.
Weather okay?
A little cloudy but nice.
I love cloudy weather.
Me too. Calm and quiet.
Did you buy anything?
Just some snacks.
Healthy or non-healthy?
Don't judge me. Non-healthy.
Haha, no judgment.
Thank you.
Learners, what did you do this morning?
Say it out loud. Even simple sentences help.
Great practice.
Great progress.
Let's continue. Do you enjoy talking to people during the day?
Sometimes.
Only sometimes?
Yes, I like talking, but I also like quiet time.
Balance is important.
Very true.
What do you usually talk about?
Simple things, weather, plans, work.
Classic small talk.
Yes. What about you?
I talk about food a lot.
Haha, that's true.
I can't help it.
It's okay. Food is a great topic.
Learners, try saying, today I talked about.
Fill in the blank.
Practice speaking.
You're doing great.
What do you usually do in the afternoon?
I work, study, or edit videos.
Busy schedule.
Yes, but I enjoy it.
That's good.
What about you?
I plan future lessons.
Ah, for our learners.
Exactly. Their progress motivates us.
100%.
Do you take breaks?
Yes, short breaks.
Breaks help the mind.
They help learning too.
Learners, remember to rest when studying English.
It keeps your brain fresh.
Exactly. How is your evening usually?
Relaxing. I like watching something.
Movies or shows?
Both.
Nice.
What about you?
I sometimes read.
Good habit.
I try.
Learners, what do you like in the evening?
Say it out loud. Let's practice some phrases.
Repeat after us.
I woke up early today.
I had a quick breakfast.
The weather was nice.
I talked to my friend.
I took a short break.
Great job.
Keep repeating.
Repetition builds confidence.
Time for a speaking challenge.
Are you ready?
Describe your day in 3 sentences.
Out loud, don't be shy.
We believe in you.
Yes, you can do it.
Go ahead.
Great job.
Okay, here's the secret we promised. The fastest way to learn English is,
Speak for 5 minutes every day,
even if you talk to yourself,
even if you make mistakes.
even if your English is simple.
Daily speaking equals daily improvement.
That's the secret.
Simple but powerful.
And now you know it.
Let's review some key phrases.
Wake up.
Get up.
Quick breakfast.
Take a break.
Talk to someone.
Great!
Keep practicing.
You did amazing today.
We're proud of you.
Thank you for learning with us.
Remember, practice every day.
And don't forget to subscribe.
See you in the next episode.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye.